I'm originally from Nairobi, Kenya. And I'm from Kenya, from Nairobi, born and brought up there. And since 30 years now, I've been living in India. I had my education, the primary education in Kenya, and then I went to Cambridge University to do my master's in psychology. And then when I came back to Kenya, I joined as an air hostess. So I was flying for 10 years. Can't hear? Now is it better? Yeah? Okay, so I was flying as an air hostess for Swiss Air, Pan Am and Kenya Airways. And then I got married to an Indian and moved to India, to Mumbai. And thank you. And now this is home, of course. I have been associated with this ashram in Ganeshpuri, Swami Muktanand's ashram, where I learned the Hatha Yoga, the Ashtanga Yoga, and also the meditation. And I have been a certified meditation teacher since last many years, traveling all over India, teaching courses in meditation as my seva. And since many years now, almost 10 years, I've been teaching Tibetan yoga and meditation for stress management to a lot of corporates, mainly to the companies all over India and many countries abroad. And this is a yoga that's not very known in the world. I'm sure you had not heard about Tibetan yoga before. So this is a yoga that's, as the name implies, from Tibet. Now, Tibet was very inaccessible for many years, and in the 1930s there was a colonel from the British Army, a retired colonel by the name of Colonel Bradford, and he had heard that something that the Tibetan people are doing to stay young and to live a long, healthy life. You know anything about the Tibetan people? They live very long. They live up to about 100 years, and they don't grow old. Their bodies don't age as fast as normal people do, And so what I'm going to share with you today is the secret of staying young. You people want to stay young? Great. So, yeah, so this is very simple yogic exercises from Tibet. Now, see, this Colonel Bradford he was an ailing man. He had arthritis in his knees, he had back problem, he was walking with a stick, but he still ventured all the way to Tibet and discovered this monastery where they were doing these exercises. And he was very fortunate to be able to live there for 2 years and do the exercises and eat what the Tibetan lamas ate. And just within weeks of doing these exercises that the Tibetan people taught him, he was able to throw the stick and, climb the mountains with the Tibetan lamas. Because his arthritis in his knee improved so much and his backache was cured. Anyway, he continued to live there for 2 years, and he recovered from all his aches and pains, and he even threw away his glasses because his eyesight improved. His memory became very sharp. And after 2 years, when he came back to the West, people couldn't even recognize him because he was a thick old man who went up the mountain, came back looking many years younger. And so then his friend, Peter Kelder, who was a writer, wrote this book called The Ancient Secret of the Fountain of Youth. You can write down the name if you want. The Ancient Secret of the Fountain of Youth. Fountain of Youth. Fountain. Anika Fountain of Youth by Peter Kelder. Write it down on the board. Okay. So in this book, Peter Kelder wrote about what Colonel Bradford did, what exercises he did there, and what are the food that he ate, and how he recovered from all his illnesses. And this book became a super seller. Millions of copies were sold, and then they were translated into many European and Russian languages, and so the world came to know about Tibetan yoga. Now, have you done yoga? Anybody done yoga here? Yeah? So, what form of yoga do you? Indian traditional yoga? Yeah. Where did you learn it? Kevalyada. So you know that the traditional Indian yoga has many, many asanas, right? I think there are more than 600 asanas. And now to learn them would take you many months, and to practice daily it take you about 45 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah. Now people these days don't have that kind of time. Even if they want to, they're either too busy or too lazy to exercise. Yeah, I know. Yes. No, it doesn't. I'll explain you. Okay. Yeah. You've done it? Okay. So, see, the home of all asanas, all yoga is India. This is the birthplace, and there are various types of yogas. So, the Tibetan people had taken all these hundreds of asanas from India and experimented on their own bodies, and they came out with just 5. Of course, they made modifications and came out with just 5 exercises called the 5 Tibetan rites, which are the best of all the yoga asanas, because these 5 asanas work on all the 4 systems of our body: cardiovascular, digestive, respiratory, and the nervous system. So they, because they are only 5, they don't take much time to learn. It takes only about 3 hours to learn the workshop, and to practice daily it takes about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Now, to answer the gentleman's question, yes, you're supposed to do these 5 exercises starting with just 7 repetitions to increase them to 21 repetitions each. And I do them all 21 repetitions of all the 5 rites, and it doesn't take me more than 22 minutes daily. So it's not that it takes a lot of time. And once you start doing them with the correct breathing, you get into the rhythm of doing it, and so it becomes like routine, and it's something so beneficial that if I personally miss it for one day, I feel I haven't started my day. Because they are very, very beneficial, and I'll tell you the benefits in a minute. Okay, so these 5 exercises, what they do for you is that they balance the 7 chakras. You know the chakras, yeah, the energy centers. Now, when the chakras are balanced, the hormones are balanced, because the chakras are located where the endocrine glands are. So when the hormones are balanced, all your bodily functions are much more efficient, because the hormones control your body functions. And all your organs work much more efficiently. And when the chakras are balanced, the hormones are balanced, naturally you feel a lot more energy, because these exercises also attract the universal energy into your body. And they increase your energy level. So even if you work the whole day, you will not feel tired. And this is what people have reported back, because I've been teaching since last 10 years to people. And the first and foremost thing that you experience is a lot more energy. Secondly, it has cured people's backache, because a lot of people, because they're sitting in front of computers all day, are getting back problem. This was a research done by WHO recently. And so the cure backache. They also are beneficial for people who suffer from high blood pressure, hypertension, acidity, anything related to any of these 4 systems of our body. And they're also very good for increasing your concentration and your memory. So I'm teaching at a lot of schools and colleges, and this is how it helps the students, because they are able to concentrate much better on their studies, and they are able to study faster and retain what they have read. And they are completely stress-free when they go for their exams, so which is very helpful for them to do better at their work. And these exercises also are very, very good for weight management. So a lot of people, because of the sedentary life and their modern lifestyle, put on a lot of weight, and people are, as I said, too lazy to exercise. So naturally you get all the diseases related to overweight, obesity, and all the related problems. So this helps you to maintain your weight. And especially for ladies, it's very helpful, because when you get into menopause, hormones go out of balance. So once you have been doing these exercises, you'll feel no effect of menopause. And that's been my personal experience and experience of a lot of ladies who have been doing these exercises. And simple 5 exercises. as I said, takes very little time to do. Along with the 5 Tibetan rites, in the workshop of 3 hours, I also teach pranayam, meditation, and some qigong exercises, which are for removing stress and for also attracting the universal energy into your body. And once you learn all these things in the workshop, then you get a CD and a booklet which has the same instructions that you learn in the class, so that you can